cutting with the Woodmizer. We got the cows in the background. Clayton's cutting some logs. We got the warrior donkeys watching our back. We're gonna cut that log into smalls. This one's gonna be a 9-foot log. These are 10-foot slabs. 10-foot slabs, 9-foot slabs, and then all the smalls will be on top. We're about to get after it. We have a few watchers. Look at that bad boy. Here's a Woodmizer. I'm sure you don't want to watch a vlog get cut, but anyways, he's trimming that log. Here's a Woodmizer. I made my last cut. I want a 2.5-inch board in the bottom because I'm cutting 1.5 inch material, and I wanted a 2.5 in the bottom, so that's why I made it happen. So that's one of the better slabs. It's outside the pit, and yeah, that's that. We'll get going. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Subscribe, like. Small operation. The videos aren't edited. I just make the videos and put them on YouTube. Thank you so much. God bless.